production is only one part of an integrated production chain and therefore should not be considered in isolation. Making a change in any one part of the chain is likely to have downstream consequences for broiler production and processing performance, which may be impact the biological or financial performance. Increasing stock density or reducing the time between flock results in lower average daily gain and worsen the feed conversion ratio. Thus, while it may appear to be financially attractive to increase the number of birds going through the production system, the financial impact of such changes need to be properly evaluated, taking into account reduced growth, more for reducing quality broiler meat, the total process, here the parent stock farm, the parent stock management, egg collection, egg storage, transport, egg hatchery, incubation, hatching and transport. Here in the broiler farm, we receive the chicks and the process is completed, transport, processing, paid. Here the objective of the parent stock or to produce high quality fertile egg, and in hatchery to produce high quality chicks, to maintain during transport, to maintain chick quality, develop good feeding behavior, develop new function to allow optimum development of skeletal and cardiovascular system, to optimize carcass quality, to maximize bird welfare. The objective of the broiler manager is to achieve the required flock performance in terms of bird welfare, live weight, feed conversion, uniformity, and meeting economic constraints. Broiler production is a sequential process which ultimate performance being dependent on each step being completed successfully. For maximum performance to be attained, each stage must be assessed critically and improvement made wherever required. The complexity of broiler production means that livestock managers should have a clear understanding of the factors affecting the whole production process, as well as those directly influencing bird management in the farm. Changes may be necessary in the hatchery, during transport, and in the processing plant. Within broiler production, there are several stages of development of the bird as the bird moves from egg to farm and then the processing plant. Between each of these stages in the production process is transition phase. Transitions must be managed with minimum bird stress. The key transitions for the broiler producer are chick hatching, egg off, storage and transportation of the chick, development of the good feeding behavior in the young chicks, change over from supplementary feeding and drinking system to the main system, catching and transport the broiler at depletion. On-farm production is one step in the middle of the complex process. All of these steps and transitions between them must be carefully considered and managed if a